Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing longer lines for Thai visa extensions. Fact of the matter is, one of the upshots of seeing Thailand reopen and certainly seeing all the lovely tourists arriving and bringing all their foreign money and bringing in all of that, all these good times we're currently seeing in the tourism sector, and we certainly appreciate all of you. Thank you for coming to Thailand. Great to have you here. Love to see the tourists. But one of the big upshots of this is, look, we're going to see some ramifications from this at immigration offices. And, you know, we deal with Thai Immigration Division 1 here in Bangkok probably on a daily basis. I see or maybe have some tangential dealings with immigration down in Pati, down in Jomtien, a couple of times a month, kind of again, tangentially. We've got clients that do business kind of down there, and we may need to deal with that office from time to time. And yeah, look, there's just more people here. So the lines are getting longer, which brings me to a recent article from the Pati Mail, patimail.com. Article is titled, Pati Immigration Bureau Sees Return of Pre-Pandemic Numbers. Quoting directly, the reintroduction of charter flights from Russia to Rayong Airport, Utapao, has boosted numbers to Pati as well as new and expanded international routes to the main airports in Bangkok. Most new customers were seeking to register their local address, Form TM30, or to apply for extensions of stay. Yeah, I got to imagine that's probably, there's probably a large number of extenders, especially in the tourism category, that are standing in line much more than they were in the past. Now, up here in Bangkok, as we've discussed, they're bringing online this e-extension platform where it's going to be possible to deal with this online. As a practical matter, my staff who deal with immigration on a daily basis have told me we're not really seeing, any dwindling of the amount of people we're seeing in line for that. Now, something to also keep in mind is I would kind of doubt, although if folks have any observations on this, I'd really be happy to hear it in the comments. I'm kind of curious what people think. But is it only tourist extensions that we're seeing a lot of numbers on? Because I would imagine we probably aren't going to start seeing a lot of non-immigrant extensions, or at least a substantial number, maybe with the exception of retirees. But, I don't see where a ton of new business visa extensions are just popping up overnight. I think it's going to take a little more time to see lines in the non-immigrant visa section really start to expand out, and frankly, the lines with respect to those, even during the pandemic, didn't really massively diminish. I mean, you had people that were living in Thailand still needing to deal with their visa status, and they did it. They dealt with that just as they always had. So we didn't really see this massive deflation in the demand for ongoing extension status, at least in the part of our firm that deals with non-immigrant visa extensions. So, I'm kind of curious to know who exactly is extending. Again, I expect there's probably more retirees than there were before, and coupled with the number that were already here. But I imagine the bulk of this is tourist visa extension.